Hello and namaste and welcome to my new vlog video. This time me and my partner, we drove to Melbourne in Victoria for a mini holiday. We wanted to go somewhere a bit far away on a drive and explore new places. And what's better than exploring this great city in Victoria? We were quite tired after driving for 10 plus hours. We then reached our sister's place, grabbed some food and drinks, played card, then called it a night to get ready for the next day. G'day guys, first day of Melbourne visit. I am here at the Mornington beach, all the way down at Mornington Peninsula, and this beach is beautiful. And the reason I came to this beach was because of these beautiful houses over here. We sat at the beach playing ukulele, taking pictures and enjoying the view of the fading cityscapes on the horizon, which was mesmerizing. The sun was setting down fast, so I flew my drone and captured these beautiful footages. This was actually the first place to visit for me on the first day. So one place has been checked off the list. Heading over back to home, and day 2 begins tomorrow. I'll see you later. Next day morning, we went for Puffing Billy Railway. We didn't have a booking, but we hoped to walk in and buy the tickets. Unfortunately, the train was booked out, and we missed out. Anyways, we followed the last train of the day down the track, then came across this train at one of the crossings. As I stood there watching the train pass, I thought to myself, I would have been one of those people in the train had I had the booking. But hey, there's always a next time. Anyways, on our way back to our base, we stopped at this beautiful lake called the Emerald Lake. The weather was just right. The day was bright and sunny, and the water was shiny. As we were tired running around chasing the train all day, we sat there on the bank, sunbathing and enjoying the view, then headed back to our home straight away. G'day from Victoria. Today I'm at one of the beautiful waterfall in Victoria, which is called TRENTHAM Falls. I have driven like about 100 kilometers from my base today to arrive here, only to find out there was like a viewpoint up there and you can't get down here. But anyways, I've gone off the fence, so as many people behind me, just to get down to the waterfall and take, beautiful pictures and videos and enjoy the time. I don't know if it's illegal, but everyone's here. So yeah, taking amazing pictures with the waterfall behind me. about 1.5 hours down here, and now we're heading back to our base. Followed by next destination, maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Alright, until then, take care, bye-bye. On our way back to home, we noticed there was beautiful pine forest, so we stayed there for a while, had a snack, played some songs on our ukulele, then headed back home. Hello and good morning from Victoria. Beautiful place here in Victoria. This place is called Brighton Beach.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are the proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right now. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
It's beautiful beach. Very nice. Almost done. We've almost spent about an hour or two here, and now we're heading back to our home. Let's go. As this was our last night in Melbourne, we decided to catch up with our friends, have some food, play some card games, and then get ready to depart the next day. Another day, another destination. We are today at Geelong, one of the nicest places in Victoria, I guess, and we are on top of this Ferris wheel. Beautiful place, beautiful beach, nice weather, a bit windy, but really nice. Let me show you around. Someone looks really scared. Are you scared? With all these pictures and videos, we're heading back to Adelaide now via Great Ocean Drive. So I'll see you guys there. We're having a short break here at Anglesea, and then we headed off to 12 Apostles and also the Great Ocean Drive. And finally, I have made it to the most hyped up place. The place that had been in my bucket list for a few years now. I've been, keeping this place on the top of my list since a few years. Ladies and gentlemen, the 12 Apostles. And fortunately, just for a little while, the sun is out ever since we arrived here, so that is a good thing. this concludes our today's visit to the 12 Apostles. Still, the home is 8.5 hours away, and since we have our camping setup with us, it shouldn't be hard to find a camping spot nearby. Therefore, we should hit the road now as the sun has already set and it has started to get darker. And the trip has been overwhelmingly adventurous and amazing. Thank you all for watching the video, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Peace out.